Welcome to Green Haven Organics. In today's video, we'll show you how to start a terrace garden and grow your own vegetables on your rooftop. Perfect for urban dwellers and beginners, this guide covers everything from selecting containers to choosing the right plants. Don't forget to subscribe for more organic farming tips and tutorials. Let's start with selecting the right containers. The key is to choose containers that are deep enough for the plants you want to grow and have good drainage. You can use pots, grow bags, or even recycled materials like old buckets and wooden crates. Ensure that each container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Next, let's talk about the soil mix. A good soil mix is crucial for the health of your plants. You'll need a mix that's light, well-draining, and rich in nutrients. A simple recipe includes equal parts of garden soil, compost, and cocoa peat. The garden soil provides structure, compost adds nutrients, and cocoa peat improves water retention and aeration. Mix them well before filling your containers. Now, let's choose the right plants for your terrace garden. Opt for vegetables and herbs that thrive in containers and your local climate. Some great choices include tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, and herbs like basil, mint, and parsley. These plants are relatively easy to grow and can provide a steady supply of fresh produce. When planting, follow the spacing recommendations for each plant to ensure they have enough room to grow. Proper watering and maintenance are essential for a successful terrace garden. Containers tend to dry out faster than ground soil, so regular watering is crucial. Water your plants early in the morning or late in the afternoon to reduce evaporation. Make sure the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. Mulching can help retain moisture and keep the soil cool. Regularly check for pests and diseases and prune your plants to encourage healthy growth. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Green Haven Organics for more guides and tutorials on organic gardening. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.